Disasters can strike anywhere, anytime, especially if a family, a community, a nation is not prepared. In the Philippines, the 2009 Typhoon Ketsanad that hit the country displayed the devastating impact to human life, agriculture, and structures, including schools. The Department of Education reported Ketsanad's damages to schools amounting to 73.87 million pesos, or 1.69 million US dollars. The Safe School to Offset Vulnerabilities and Increase Empowerment of Children, or SOLVE project, enables children to cope with and manage natural and health hazards. SOLVE strengthens the capacities of teachers and parents to reinforce resilience building among children.
Na nagsimula ang bagyo.
I remember the storm in the 1980s. We were near the sea. Houses were washed out. A lot of trash floated. The rains were strong and the water. We left our house because our house was destroyed. Everyone left their homes.
Ang aming paaralan po ay matatagpuan sa...
Our school is located in the coastal area where it is not safe for children, especially during disasters.
Kapag may mga kalamidad na dumating para sa mga bata.
The SOLVE project has two components: capacity building and prevention and mitigation.
May mga NGO po katulad ni na Mamag.
There are NGOs like Magis and Junes who conducted earthquake drills so the children can learn the right things to do during earthquakes, storms, flash floods, and others.
The Metro Bank Foundation Incorporated supported this pilot project in 2010 by funding some of the training activities of the International Institute of Rural Reconstruction, or IIRR. Prevention and mitigation includes promotion of biointensive gardens in school, to increase individual survivability of students and teachers through proper nutrition.
Yung pag-garden ng biointensive gardening po doon sa Tacloban maganda po yung
The biointensive gardening in Tacloban has had good results. We were able to sell our produce like eggplants, squash, petchay, tomatoes, and the like. We had extra produce to sell and also for our daily consumption.
May nakukonsumo din po kami sa pang-araw-araw.
Water and sanitation. And sustainable resource management. For example, tree planting and solid waste management. Building of a disaster-resilient classroom specific to the hazard identified during the assessment.
Ang Tacloban Elementary School ay may bagong silid-aralan.
Tacloban Elementary School has a new classroom that was built with the help of Metro Bank Foundation. This classroom was designed by teachers and students of Tacloban Elementary School and parents.
Ang silid-aralang ito ay safe para sa mga bata.
This classroom is safe for children in times of calamities because it is made of light materials and different from other classrooms made from cement.
A SIP building is significantly superior to a conventionally framed building in terms of shear resistance, flexural strength, compressive resistance, and uplift resistance. Evidence of the superior performance of SIPs can be found in the real world, where SIP houses have survived earthquakes and hurricanes. When the stick-built houses around them were destroyed, it is moisture protected, has very slow moisture permeability, which makes it an excellent choice for a building structural and thermal envelope as well as roofing material. The fiber cement surface is non-combustible, will not burn, and has a zero flame spread index, a zero smoke development number. Old panels can withstand winds of over 110 miles per hour, and are easily upgraded to withstand 200 mile per hour winds. Termite and rodent resistance. Fiber cement boards won't burn, rot or cup, and is impervious to salt spray, termites, woodpeckers, carpenter bees, and other pests. Fiber cement siding is appropriate for hot and humid climates, because it is resistant to rot, fungus, and termite infestation. Earthquake resistance. Seismic tech scientists, engineers, and have withstood and surpassed the strongest earthquake and ground acceleration recorded in history.
Nagkaroon naman po yung mga pairs na
parents had their counterpart. We gave gravel. We helped carry the materials. That was our counterpart.
Graba natin. Urusad ka sa akin. Tag-urusad ka lahat. And then grade 3, grade 2 ka kinder.
IIRR was able to solicit school desks from a noontime show, Eat Bulaga.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Metrobank Foundation sa pagsasagawa.
We'd like to thank Metrobank Foundation for giving us a new classroom.
At lalong-lalo na po
and especially to the coordinator of IIRR, Miss Maggie, for her efforts to give us a classroom.
dahil sa kanyang effort na mabigyan kami ng classroom. Sana po ang biyayang
We hope that this continues so we can further improve our teaching in Tacloban.
turo dito sa Tacloban.
Maraming salamat po sa ibinigay sa Metrobank Foundation na ibinigay na eskwelahan.
Maraming salamat sa Metrobank Foundation.
Still, a lot remains to be done. SOLVE is a pilot project and will be scaled up to other vulnerable and high-risk areas in the Philippines.